Hi, I'm Tom D. I was asked multiple times how to add allowed referrer in band.net stream. As I promised, I'm going to show you right away how to do it. Let's start. I embed the video on my website, but I can't play it because this website, the domain of this website, toughcoding.net, is not included on the allowed referrals on band.net settings for video library. Now there is a special API that allows you to add such domain into the list of allowed referrers. The construction is simple, it's a post type. There is a call to main API. Therefore, the API key you will get under your account dash.band.net/account/API-key. Here you have a API key that you can use to authenticate to that API call. So now when you look at this URL, you can see that there is a main API address /video library, and there is a place for video library ID. And now you might question how to find video library ID. In order to get it, you can go to the UI and check it on the URL address. When you have your video library, you can see in the URL that after the stream, you have number. This number is a video library. This particular video library. If you want to work only with the API, there is a method to get video library. This is API band.net. This is a main API and just type video library. When you send this request, you will get the list of video libraries and you can choose the one that you are interested in because you have a name of that video library and all the parameters and ID. In this case, we are interested in ID. Copy that ID and place it in the link. Now you have a ready-to-use URL address. You have to change the body of the raw JSON data. Because my video is on the domain toughcoding.net, I am placing this as hostname. Send. The response is OK, which means it works fine. Let's see on the website if now the video can be played. I am refreshing the page and you can see that video is available. Now to roll back this change, there is another call, remove allowed referrer. You can place exactly the same string here, so I'm going to copy the whole content and ID must be the same. So only change is in the method. So now status is OK. The video should be not playable again. So this is not accessible from this website. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to visit my blog where you can find out the latest articles about technology. And what is the most important, you can find the ready-to-use code snippets that you can copy and paste and use in your environment.